This NFT was sold for 0.085 Ethereum, this one was sold for 0.18 Ethereum, and this one was sold for 3.6 Ethereum. And if you know much about Ethereum, you know Ethereum worth huge amount of dollars. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with NFTs. But disclaimer here, don't take this video as financial advice. Make sure you do your research diligently. So the best way to make money with NFT is to meet the good project before the launch date. You can find that on Rarity website, where you can see good projects which are 2 days or 5 days to be launched now, which you can lay your hand on. And by doing your research diligently on this project, you are on high side to make huge profit when this project is launched in marketplace. And even if this good project is launched on the marketplace, the best way to make money with that also is to look for the rare one to buy, because that is what most people are looking for to buy. So you can buy that and flip it at high price. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and follow me for more tips. Peace out. Any question or make requests about tutorial or type of video content you want to see on my channel, you can just jump down to my Instagram and